Your desire is God's desire. It's life's holy grail. It's God's gift of unconditional love and unrestricted freedom. Mystics come as all kinds of people, from different walks of life, on different paths, yet the thing they all have in common is that they all look for something. In retrospect, they often seek this their entire life but do not realize it. Remember that what you seek, seeks you back, so trust that you're already on the right track, and the pattern will reveal itself when it's time for you to awaken. It's all true, and it's the most genuine thing you'll ever see. There are numerous advantages since it expands your consciousness to the point where you may materialize things instantaneously and switch states on command. You won't need techniques since you'll be able to feel your way into creation. You gain a sixth sense for deciphering symbolism as if it were a second language you've always known. You may then use that symbolism/synchronicity in a variety of fun and exciting ways, similar to how navigation works, because you're the one who created it. Above all, it's about experiencing God's creation with amazing quantities of love and freedom. The portion of your ego that tells you it's her is your ego. Ego attempts to shield you by assuring you that you won't find a better SP or that she's the one, but we know that's not true because we can materialize anything. You want love, and God gives it to you because God is love. You could replace your SP with someone else and still achieve your aim through the law, or you could go all in and create one huge, wonderful family. It's your life to live, and if you don't like the specifics, you can change them as well. Following your heart's desire is the same as following God. Following your ego, doubt, is a mistake, sin. God is the source of all desire,